How are you guys doing today? My name is Apple, and today I have three really big announcements to share with you guys. So it's going to be a bit of a shorter video. Just wanted to throw these things out there so that you have them on your radar and you can be looking out for these things in the near future. All right, so first big new exciting thing is that I just released my own website. So if you're following me on Facebook at all, you know that the website just went live a couple days ago. So definitely go over there and check that out. And there's going to be some really cool stuff going on over there. So the first thing that's going to be going on the website is a blog. So I'm starting a blog to go along with the videos that I'm making to sort of take it a step farther, to go a little bit more in depth in the topics that I'm covering in the videos for the people who are like, oh, this sounds great, you get really excited about it, but then you're like, how do I actually go about applying these things? Well, that's what the blog is going to be about. The blog is going to be a way for you to sort of go a step farther and sort of see how these things actually can apply to you and specific steps that you can take to actually get started on these different things that I'm talking about on the channel. So that's going to be a great resource for people, I think. And going along with the blog, I'm actually creating a new series here on the channel called the A to Z of Financial Literacy. And with each video that I make in that series, it's actually going to be tied with a blog post that, like I said, is going to go more in depth on the topic. So the video on the YouTube channel is going to be a more brief, just like overhead of what the topic actually is about and stuff like that. And from the title, you can tell it's going to be A to Z. So in each video, I'm going to be covering one specific financial literacy topic, one specific investing topic, something like that. It's gonna start with A, it's gonna go all the way to Z, and I'm probably gonna do 2 to 3 of those each week. So be sure to look out for those. Those are gonna be starting this week, and I think it's gonna be a great way to sort of take the videos a step farther and connect them with some more in-depth information that will be found over on my website. The website, by the way, is applecrider.com. So just myname.com. Pretty easy to remember. So definitely hop over there and check that out. There's some really cool resources over there. And going a step farther, and I think it's just going to be a great way for the financial literacy message to be spread to even a wider audience, which is really what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to just expand all the people that I'm able to reach with my message and with these financial literacy skills that I think are so essential to establish while you're in college and while you are still young. So on the website, additionally, there is a way for you to reach out and contact me. And the reason that is important is going to be tying into the second big announcement, which is that I have started to do some public speaking. So stemming from the YouTube channel, I have actually received some requests to go out and do some public speaking, which I have been doing over the last couple weeks. So I have a couple presentations that I have already worked out. The presentations that I've given so far were both on the topics of credit and how to effectively utilize credit cards for college students and how to build credit for your future. So those two presentations, they went really well. One was for a student group and one was for just a group of students that weren't really affiliated with a group or anything. They just wanted me to come in and speak. So that was really cool. And I'm super stoked to expand that even further. So if you are in a student group, if you are hosting a private event soon, and you would like me to come in and speak on some financial literacy topics, definitely hop over to the website, applecrider.com, fill in that form for booking an event, and I will reach out to you within the next 24 hours, and we can definitely get something worked out there. So the presentations that I have so far are on credit, investing, insurance, but I have a couple more in the works as well. So those are just going to be expanding every single week, honestly. So definitely be sure to reach out if you have any topics that you want me to cover in specific. I will be happy to accommodate any kind of topic financially related that you are thinking for your next event. So I'm really excited to be starting to do that. It's been really fun so far. The 2 events that I have hosted have been just amazing, and I've had a great experience, gotten some great feedback. Also have some testimonials over on the website if you're interested in those at all. And yeah, I would just definitely love to come out and talk to your private event, student group, student org, whatever, about any financial topics, because I'm very passionate about it and I can talk for days about this stuff. But I won't make you listen to me for days. I will cut it off at whatever time limit you want. But just know that I would be willing to stand up there and talk for a good 12 hours at least. All right, so the last announcement that I have on here is collaborations. So I'm looking to start collaborating with some other people out there on some different projects in the near future. So one of the things that I have in the works right now is a potential interview with a certified financial planner. So I think that could be a very valuable interview for you guys, just to show you what a certified financial planner actually does and disprove some of the myths out there about people in the finance industry, or just like teach you guys about what people in the finance industry actually do on a day-to-day basis. So I think that could be a very valuable thing. So if you are a professional, if you're a creative, any person that has any remote interest in finance, if you have a cool financial story, any of those things, be sure to reach out. Again, applecrider.com, go into the contact page and be sure to reach out. And I would love to have you on the channel. I would love to have like an interview, some kind of collaboration, some way for me and you to just come together and create something super cool. So I'm definitely looking into any potential collaborations you guys are thinking. Be sure to just shoot me a message over there on the website. Also, if you create any related content, if you're like a finance blogger, if you're like another video creator on YouTube, or if you're just a person who has a cool financial experience, definitely be sure to reach out again on the website, applecrider.com, or shoot me an email at collegestudentfinance@gmail.com. That's another way to get in contact with me. Anyways, those were the 3 main announcements that I wanted to cover today, guys. Just the new website, applecrider.com. I'm starting to do some public speaking, so if you're in the area, if you're in the Madison, Wisconsin area, and you're interested at all in having me out to speak, definitely shoot me an email. And lastly, just collaborations. So if you're in the same space, or if you're just somebody who has a lot of financial questions that you want answered, I would love to have you on the channel. If you're just like a normal college student with some normal college student questions, I would love to have you on the channel and get some real college student voices, so that people who are watching this video could feel more connected with the voices that they're actually hearing. So that's about it for the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you tomorrow, and until next time.